Hello and welcome to a really quick video on how to create an event on Yaatly.com. So Yaatly is our online debate service, and we actually build the tournament here on the site. So if you are a tournament director or you would like to set up a debate for your students or for colleagues, friends, you want to set something up, this is how you will manage your event. I'm going to start with that you have already signed up. So once you go to that, you would then go to yaatly.com and click the sign up or login button. At this point, we're logging in. Making an event is quite easy. We just, on the main page here, we're going to click new event. In this event, we're going to ask first if it's a demo, which is these are short events, so you're only allowed a certain amount of time, a small amount of time in each room, which is a great way to pop in, see how the system works. But if you want to actually host something, you would then go to a live event. And then the live events will give you that demo period ahead of time, so you're not charged for that demo period as you're getting used to things. But as you invite more and more people to the event, then that is one where we charge. So once you pop in, you need to name your event. So in this case, we'll do the demo for YouTube video on Dr.Denise, the YouTube site. Then you add your dates. So this happens to be the 4th of July. So happy 4th, and we will set up the dates. We're gonna end it right quick, so we don't need to send any more than after today. Then you would add your start and end time. You don't have to include a start and end time, but you could. Bear in mind that if your partners are going to be in different time zones, this actually does help coordinate for everybody what time zone that they are participating in. So if I say it's going to start at noon, it also includes the time zone here so that they actually know where you are competing from when you say noon, right? So that everybody can show up at the appropriate time. I would always encourage a little bit before time, and that you are generous with a little bit of time for people to prepare. And that is actually it. You just hit create. The event will magically create, and it will show up on your event dashboard. So let's go back to your dashboard, and this is what your dashboard will look like. It's checking my audio and video. Since I know that works, I'll stop there. Then you can go directly to your, you can manage the event and add all sorts of interesting levels here. You can add the way in which your settings look. You can make an announcement that is going to appear across the top banner. You can manage who the admin is, so there can be somebody else that can manage things as well as yourself. This is a particularly handy link here with the invite others to your event. Here you just copy the link as you would in Zoom or any other form. When you give that link to somebody else, they will still have to log into Yaatly before they join your event. So that level of security will still be maintained. You can add event details so that your audience knows details about beginning or end times. The schedule is going to appear on the left here. Let's have 2 events that are going to happen at 1 and 2 and save that. And then it's going to appear here on the left-hand side of the screen under schedule. And then you can actually list all of your events there. Going back to manage event, same thing with speaker times. I can fill in this information, 1 minute and 2 minutes, save that, and it will pop up under speaker times as well. Cool. You can add pairings and topics the same way by going to manage event, opening up that subject, and entering into the text box. Cool. And feel free to edit the banner across the top, or edit the banner in the rooms. As you go along to add another level of personalization and a mechanism by which to allow your audience to understand, the participants in your tournament to understand what's happening right now. Pretty cool. So this event is just in test mode. You also have the opportunity to create that prior to your event, so it can all be set up when your people join. You can check out another video for how to import rooms and to create rooms, which would be done here. And we'll see you on Dr. Denise.